Welcome. This is a question that somebody wrote. Let me read it out. My H is equals to this. Find the non-singular matrix P such that P, which is what is written there, is that P transpose of AP, that is what is written there, is diagonal, is diagonalized. I mean, diagonal, is diagonal. Compute this signature of the what? Of the diagonalized matrix. Now, when you talk about signature of the diagonal matrix, what you just need to do, solution to this problem. After finding the P, the number of positive minus the number of what? Negative. Let me try to work it out with this particular matrix. I think this matrix is equals to I 2 plus I, and this is going to be what? 2 and 2 minus I, and 2 minus I, and 1 minus I, and this is going to be 2. Now, this is a matrix. What I will just need to do is that I will move it to be 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. That is what I will just first to do. That is the first thing I will do. Oh, it's being captured. Oh, wow, it's not captured. Now, okay, sorry. Now, from there, I can now continue by saying that at this point, I will do row reduction and I will do column reduction. How do I do it? First one, I want to turn this one to 0, turn this to 0, and turn this to 0. Now, the first thing I will do is that I will come by saying that, my R2, I can say that my R2 could be equals to my IR1, or, sorry, let me just say R2 my plus IR1. My R3 could be equals to my plus I of R1 plus R3. Now, I just conjugate this, and I think you know what's conjugation of a complex number. Now, at this junction, I will move on by saying that 1 I, 2 plus I, and I'll be having 1 is 0, is 0, because I have no business with that. This one will become 0, this one will become 1, this one will become I, because I'll be having, this one will be, you know that it will be I, and this one will be what? 2I minus 1. Please don't forget that. This minus this, I will have is 0. This, okay, this minus that, I will have is 0. And also, we are talking about 2. This minus this, I'll be having hope I'm not making it. Oh, this is I now, sorry. That'll be 1. That'll be 1, sorry. And this one will be what? This and this will be equals to I. And it will move on by saying I, 1, and is 0. Then the next one will be what? Is 0, I, which is going to be what? When I do this, it will be equals to, I will have 2 plus I, and it will be I1, it will be what? I, this one will be 3, minus 3, and this one will be what? 2 plus I, minus 2 plus I, and this one will be 0, and this one will be what? 1. That is the next thing I will do. The next one is I want to turn this to be 0. How do I turn that to be 0? What I will do is that I will say my R3 equals to my R3 will be what? R3 plus IR2. By so doing that, I'll be having 1i 2 plus I and 1 is 0 0. It will be 0 1 I, and this one will be I 1 is 0. Now this is what I'm working on. Is 0 is 0. Now when I have is 0 is 0, the next thing I will be having is that I'll be having is 0 0. This one will be minus 4, and this will be equals to 3 plus I minus 3 plus I, and this will be equals to minus I and 1. Now at this junction, I want to do the colon reduction. What am I achieving my colon reduction? I want to turn this to 0, turn this to 0, turn this to 0. Now in my colon reduction, I can say my what? My column 2 equals to I column 1 plus column 2, and my column 3 be equals to minus 2 minus I column 1 plus column 3. Now by so doing that, I'll be having 1 is 0, 1 is 0, and because I'm working on 1 is 0, 1, which I'll be having is 0 0. Now my column 3, this and column 2, which is going to be what? This will definitely turn to 0, and I'll be having I, and this will be equals to, yes, it will be equals to it will be minus 4. This will remain the way it is. 1 is 0 0, I 1 is 0, minus 3 plus I minus 1. Now from this part, I want to turn this to 0. If I want to turn that to 0, it means I'll be saying that my column 3 will be equals to I column 2 plus column 3, which it will be equals to 1 is 0 0, is 0 1, is 0, is 0 0, minus 4, and this will be equals to 1 is 0 0, I 1 is 0, minus 3 plus I, and I 1. Now that is what we are going to do. Now at this junction, I can achieve what I want to achieve. My P will be equals to 1 is 0 0, I 1 is 0, and minus 3 plus I and 1. Which is my P? My P transpose, because we are working on, don't forget what we are defining. It means I'll be having my P transpose will be equals to 1I minus 3 plus I, and is 0 1 I, and is 0 0 1. That is my P transpose. Now the last thing I want to find is its signature. My signature will be equals to number of positive number minus negative number. How many positive number are we having here? This is what we're going to consider here. We have 1 2, we have 2, minus negative is what? Is 1, which is my signature is what? Is 1. Is 1. That is my signature. The next thing I want to find out, you can now do the definition, which I don't have the time, please. That is going to be the diagonal. You can start to multiply, and from there you will get your answer. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Once again, thanks for watching.